This little fella over here is my Standoff-a-tron. He's kind of shy, he's hiding in the box, but he has a very important job. He sits down and watches if I'm sitting on my butt too long, and if I have been, well, have a look. Now I can't take you around the front while he's running because his eyes there are actually little ultrasonic sensors which turns out interfere with the camera quite a lot. So I will show you inside though once I turn him off. Let's take a look. Opening him up. It's a bit of a mess in there, but you can see I've got a little syringe attached to a little motor with some gears that when the sensor detects that I'm too close, the Arduino has a bit of a countdown. Like I said, 5 seconds right now. And when it triggers, it sends a little signal to this motor control here, turns on the motor, turns the gears, pushes the syringe, and as you saw, nice little squirt of water in the ear.